What up? What up? What up? What's happening? What y'all gonna get on this one? It's like a vlog style, man. Today, going through the day of hitting the LS Fest. I guess they call it LS Fest West, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Uh, we'll get some footage of some cars, some footage of some other YouTubers, possibly. We'll never know. We'll never know, man. Hope that. Well, you see I got the straw hat on, man. They talking like 92, 93 today. Keep that sun off me for a little bit. Plus your boy is kind of heavy. So, keep the sun off from just a little bit. You know what I mean? So, definitely be in tune, man. If y'all ain't done it, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment on it. Bango, ready for what? What's up, gang, in this thing? You see that? Get the sun off my hat. And my little big glasses for my big old head.
Thanks, was cute.
Y'all definitely got to go back last year's LS Fest footage. He drives it here from Maryland to Bowling Green, Kentucky. My man. Plus, he's been following the channel, the YouTube channel, man. So that's good stuff. He said he got the wheels on him, interior done, the tops off. Man, y'all definitely have to, tap in, check it out. Do you have any social media?
Yeah, follow me at G_body BODY_Joe on Instagram.
There it is, y'all.
G_body_Joe.
There it is. So y'all definitely give him a follow, man. I'm digging the ride. I like the ride. Plus he kept the color. I love the color, man. That right there with the white, man.
Keep doing what you're doing, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it. I hope to be able to bring a little bit more content to everybody, but in due time. In due time. You do anything different with the motor, or is it still the same motor?
Same. I actually supercharged the car and took it back off.
Oh, Well,
I put a complete LSA setup on a 4.8 in the car. I couldn't get the car to run right.
got you.
I couldn't get it to run right. I wanted to drive it. I took it back off.
Hey, you know, that's what you got it for, is to drive. So there's no need to even try to fight it.
Good drive. I'm gonna do something eventually. This winter I'm gonna do something.
There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. So we'll do a real quick walk around there, man. Look at that. Power tour also.
Oh yeah.
So look, my man is making moves. Look at the interior. Oh man. Digi dash. We're gonna fire it up for y'all real quick. Choppy. Got some bark going on, y'all. Got some bark going on. I like that setup right there, man. That looks good.